Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll continue. This is the last one for this section, 8.2, integration by parts. Now, we'll do this one. Use the method of cylindrical shell. The volume of the solid generated by following the region bounded by the curves. These two curves, x equal to about the y-axis. What's the relation? Yeah, I think when we set up the integral, that will show us what's going on. This is E. This is the other one. They meet at what? X equals 0, that will be 1. Huh? Okay. And x equal to, I have x equal to something like this. This is, we're talking about this region. Okay. So it will be from 0 to 2. That will be the volume. So I'll use what? What is the axis of evolution? The y-axis. This is my axis of evolution. And I will put my line like this. Since I'm using different color usually. So this will be this. Let's go. So I'll have this line, my line like this. So what is h of x will be e to the power x over 2 minus e minus x over 2. What is p of x? It will be x, just this distance, which is x. So the volume will be 2 pi integral from where to where? From 0 to 2. X times ax over 2 minus e minus x over 2 dx. Because with that, I need the integration by parts to do this integral. Okay. So what will happen? I will let u to be x and dv will be the rest. So what will be du? Du will be dx and v will be what? Half or 2 e to the power x over 2 minus 2 e minus x over 2 plus 2, I think. That will be plus 2. Since I'm dividing by minus half. Okay. So what is my v? Will be 2 pi integral of what? X times this. From 0 to 2. Minus integral of what? 2 ax over 2 plus 2e minus x over 2 dx. Let me move this a little bit up. Okay. So that gives me what? 2 pi times what? 2 times 2 for e plus for e is minus 1 minus what? With 0, that would be 0. Nothing to worry about here. Minus. This is minus. Okay. This is what? 2 times another 2 e to the power x over 2. And this is 2 times minus 2 e to the power minus x over 2. And that from 0 to 2. That from 0 to 2. All of this. Yeah, don't have space. So that will be, let me write it here. 8 by e plus 8 by over e. This is the first one. Minus. Minus what? This is what? Substitute the 2. It will be 4e. It will be 4e. Okay. Yeah, times 2 pi. Yeah, don't forget. 2 pi is times everything. Huh? 2 pi is times everything. Huh? So that will be 2 pi times 4. That will be 8 by e. Minus. Plus. Oh, it's minus 4 times this, it will be minus 8 pi over E. Minus, substitute the 0, I'm getting 4 minus 4. So that give me what? Yeah, 8 by E minus 8 by E gone. 8 pi over E minus, that will be 16 pi over E, 4 minus 4 gone. So this is my answer. It's a matter of calculation. But the idea is this. When you do the integral, you need to evaluate the integral, you need integration by parts method. Integral ln 1 minus x. It's 1 minus x. Huh? So just to fix it, let me do W things. W1 minus x. So dW will be minus dx. So I need the minus and the minus outside. That will be minus of ln W dW. And I know that is what? It will be what? Is it? W equal 1 minus x. dW will be minus dx. So I'll make minus. That will be ln W. Okay. So now we'll let U ln W and dV dW. Don't forget the minus outside. Du will be what? dW over W. dW over W. And V will be W. So that will be minus of W ln W. Okay. W ln W. Minus integral of dW. That give me what? Minus W ln W plus dW plus W plus C. Now retain the W. W is what? W will be minus 1 minus x ln 1 minus x. I need the absolute value for sure. Yeah. This is the absolute value, it should be. Okay. I think no need for the absolute value because for sure 1 minus x should be positive since I have ln. But you can do it without the absolute value. Yeah. Plus 1 minus x plus c. So I have what? Yeah, 1. I want it in the same format. X ln 1 minus w. Well, let me open this and then I will minus ln 1 minus x plus x ln 1 minus x plus or minus x plus 1 plus c. This I can write it as c. So I have x ln 1 minus x. I want it in the same format. Minus x minus ln. Yeah, we just rewrite it in a different way. X minus 1 or 1 minus x. Actually, absolute value, since 1 minus x is positive, x minus 1. Absolute value of x minus 1 is the same as 1 minus x, since 1 minus x is positive. So this one will be negative. When you take it out, it will be, so it's a different way of writing the answer. Plus c. That would be the answer. Okay. Integral of integral. I want to do this. They said use integration by parts. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the same. U will be this integral. And dv will be dx. Let us see what will happen. du, by fundamental theorem of calculus, it will be ex squared. And v will be x dx. Let's do the integration. This is I. So I will be what? Integral x integral 1 to x et squared dt minus Integral from 0 to 1 of x ax squared dx, which is I know how to do it. I need 2.5. This is from 0 to 1. 1, it gives me what? With 1 integral from 1 to 1, that is 0. That will be 0 minus 0 times a value, that will be 0 also. So this is out. This is minus half. What is this? This is u du. This is let w equal x squared. dw will be 2x dx. So that integral from what? From 0 to 1 also. 0 it will be 0, 1 it will be 1. I have eu du. That give me minus half eu from 0 to 1. That give me minus half of what? E minus 1. In other words, it's half 1 minus e, which is this one. X squared e to x. Yeah, I think this is easy one. Minus 2x dx. Let me use the tabular, since it's easy to do. It will be x squared to x to 0. I have e is minus 2x, so I need minus half e is minus 2x. 1 over 4 e is minus 2x. And then the last one, minus 1 over 8 e is minus 2x. So this is, will be like, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So what I have, that will be minus half x squared minus 2x minus half e minus 2x minus 1 over 4 e is minus 2x. Yeah, not difficult. Yeah, I need to deal with cosine square first. Cosine square is what? Is half plus half cosine 2x. So that gives me e to the power x times half plus half cosine dx 2x dx. That will be half. I can split it into 2 parts. That will be integral of half ax dx, which is easy to do, plus integral on half ax cosine 2x dx. This, it needs integration by this. I think we did before. E to the power x cosine 2x. If I have the formula, that will save my time. E to the power x cosine 2x. E2x. Not e to the power x. Yeah, it's not difficult, but it will take time. You need to put I and then return it in the I. Let me do it here. So I have I will be integral e to the power x cosine 2x dx. So let u is cosine 2x. dv will be x dx. So du will be what? Minus half sine 2x minus 2, not minus half, dx. And v will be e to the power x. So that will be e to the power x. That will be e to the power x cosine 2x minus integral of what? Minus 2 e to the power x sine 2x dx. I need to do by parts again, or let me rewrite this. E to the power x cosine 2x plus 2 integral e to the power x sine 2x dx. So now I let u sine 2x and dv will be e to the power x dx, same thing. v e to the power x and du, it will be 2 cosine 2x. Okay, that will be e to the power x cosine 2x plus 2. That is what? That would be e to the power x sine 2x minus integral of 2 e to the power x cosine 2x. Yeah, plus c. So this is my I, the same. This one is the same as this one. So I will take it to the other side. That give me what? Let me rewrite it first. E to the power x cosine 2x plus 2 e to the power x sine 2x. Okay. This is minus 4i. This is I plus c. So I have 5 i's this. So that implies I will be 1 over 5 ax cosine 2x. 2 over 5 ax sine 2x. C over 5, which is only c. So that gives me what? Let me take half outside. I have e to the power x plus 1 over 5 e to the power x cosine 2x plus 2 over 5 e to the power x sine 2x plus c, which is this one. Just away, another way, just open down, multiply by half. Okay. Find the area of the region bounded by this and the lines x equals, yeah. So what I have, I need to find the integral of this between 0 and y over 4. So the area will be the integral from 0 to y over 4, x secant square x dx. And I think we did x secant square x. We did x tan square. It's okay. We can't do it quickly. So I let u to be x and dv will be secant square x dx. So v equal tan x and du will be dx. So that is what? X tan x from 0 to y over 4 minus integral of tan x dx. Tan is sine over cosine. So I need, yeah, if you use cosine, I need minus sine. And it is minus sine. So that will be, substitute here, that will be pi over 4. Tan pi over 4, which is 1. So it will be pi over 4 minus, this one is, or plus ln cosine x from 0 to pi over 4. Yeah, that give me what? That give me pi over 4 plus ln. What is pi over 4? It's 1 over square root of 2. Minus ln cosine 0 is 1 minus ln 1. That give me what? Pi over 4. This one, it will be minus ln square root of 2. Which is this? Ln 1 is 0. Yeah, this one you can write it as what? Square root of 2 to the power minus 1. So it will be minus ln square root of 2. That will be my answer. Integral of this. Yeah, the same idea about I and then make it to the other side. Yeah, this is I. So I have what? U is sine to x dv is minus x dx. Be careful with the minus. 2u is 2 cosine to x, and v is minus is minus x. Okay, so I will be what? Will be minus e is minus x of sine to x minus integral of minus e is minus x with 2 cosine to x dx. Okay. Now we need to do this, or let me rewrite it first. Minus is minus x sine to x plus 2 is minus x cosine to x dx. Now we'll do by parts again. U equal cosine to x. dv is minus x dx. So v is minus x, and du minus 2 sine to x dx. So that will be what? Minus x sine to x plus 2 times what? Minus x cosine to x. Yeah. Okay. And then minus integral of 2 ax sine to x dx. That will be my I. So this is I will be minus x sine to x minus 2 minus x cosine to x. That will be plus 4 integral to the power x sine to x, which is minus x, sorry, which is my original one. So it will be plus 4i. Minus 4i, sorry. Yeah, it's minus 2 times 2, minus 4i. So I have 5i. That will be plus c here. So it will be minus 1 over 5 is minus x sine to x minus 2 over 5 is minus x cosine to x plus c, which is this. Sine of ln x square. Interesting. So I will let, yeah, actually it is sine of 2 ln x dx. Or you can leave it ln x square. That I think will make it easier. So let w will be 2 ln x. Then dw will be what? 2 dx over x. So I need to do this trick, sine, and I would have 2x over 2x. If w equal 2 ln x, then w equal 2 ln x, then that is what? Then x is what? X will be e to the power w over 2. Yeah. Correct? Yeah, it will be x. So that will make it okay. So I have x, that will be 2 w over 2. This will be dw. I'm taking w 2 ln x. No. Sorry. I have sine of 2 ln x dx. I'm multiplying by 2x over 2x. And my dw is this. Yeah, it is 2. I need 2 and x. 2 over 2 dx over x. Yeah. So what is the remaining? The remaining will be x over 2. So I have half EW over 2 and 2 over x. The x that will be dw and sine w. dw. Then now I need to do integration by parts. Is it clear? I need to, let me rewrite it as 2 over x times x squared. And this will be my dw. Is it? Yeah. And let W 2 ln X. That will be W over 2 equal ln X. So so X equal E to the power W over 2. Now we'll do the calculation. I let U, which is go back and forth. dV will be, I'll take it with the half. W over 2 dW. So du will be cosine W, and V will be what? 1 over 4 EW over 2. Yeah. Okay. No, 2. It will be EW over 2. Yeah. Without half. Yeah. That will be what? EW over 2 sine W minus integral EW over 2 cosine W dW. Now do it again. U will be cosine W and dV e to the power W over 2. Okay. And du will be minus sine W, and V will be what? 2 EW over 2. Yeah, multiply, I'm getting this. We have dW here. Okay. So this one will be EW over 2 sine W. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. Minus what? 2 EW over 2 cosine W. Okay. Minus integral of minus 2 sine W EW over 2 dW, which is the original one with the 2. Okay. So this is I. So this is I. So I will be EW over 2 sine W minus 2 EW over 2 cosine W. This is minus times minus times minus. The 2 is outside. Huh? It will be what? 4 minus 4I plus C. So I have 5I, and that will be EW over 2 sine W minus 2 EW over 2 cosine W plus C. Yeah, I've done it a mistake. Yeah, you can figure it out. What is EW over 2 is X. So I, which is the integral, will be 1 over 5 X sine W, which is ln X squared. 2, yeah, the way he's writing it. Minus 2 over 5 X cosine then X squared plus C. Hopefully it's correct, yeah. Maybe a matter of calculation, but this is the idea. Just do substitution, you get something you can't do by using integration by parts. Find the average value. This will be easy, I think. If average will be 1 over 2 minus 0, which is from 0 to 2, x minus the x dx. Yeah. So tabular, I think we'll do it. dv. So you have x1, 0. And have e minus 2x. That will be minus half e is minus 2x and 1 over 4 e is minus 2x plus positive negative. That will give me what? Half times what? Times minus half x is minus 2x minus 1 over 4 is minus 2x is minus 2x. That's it from 0 to 2. That gives me half of what? Minus half is minus 4 minus 1 over 4 is minus 4. Okay. Plus or minus e to the power 0, this is gone 0, minus 1 over 4. That gives me 1 over 8. This is what? Minus 3 over 4. That will be minus 3 over 8 is minus 4. This is not minus 1. Minus half, this is 2 times 2. That will be minus. So it's minus 5 over 4. That gives me minus 5 over 8. Yeah, calculation. Evaluate this. X ln x all square. Yeah, what I will do, I will start with this is as u, and dv will be dx. So it will be du. It will be 2x ln x times derivative of this, which is what? Yeah, that will give me what? X ln x, 2x ln x. This one will give me 1 plus ln x. That will make it complicated. Let me do another way. Yeah, let me think about another way. Maybe it will work better. That will be x squared, then x all squared dx. Yeah, I think this it will be better. So u, it will be ln x all square, and dv will be x squared dx. Let us see what will happen. du will be what? 2 ln x over x, and v will be x. This is dx. V will be x cubed over 3. Yeah, I think this it should work it out. That will be what? X cubed over 3 n of x all square minus integral of what? Integral of 2 over 3. Make it 2 over 3 out. Okay. 2 over 3 of what? Ln x, x square ln x dx. Now do it again. I need to do this again. So I have u is ln x, dv is x squared dx. So v will be x cubed over 3, and du will be dx over x. Yeah, that will be x cubed over 3, then x all square, minus 2 over 3 times what? X cubed over 3, then x, minus integral of 1 over 3 x squared dx. So that gives me x cubed over 3, then x all square, minus 2 over 9 x cubed, then x, plus 2 over 9, integral of x cubed, x squared, which is x cubed over 3, plus c. So that gives me the answer. To this one. Yeah. Sine inverse of x. Yeah, I let you sine. I think we did it before. Sine inverse of x. dv will be dx. I'll try to do it quickly. du will be what? 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. Yeah, I think we did it before. Okay. V will be x. So that will be what? X sine inverse of x minus integral x dx over square root 1 minus x squared. I need minus 2 and minus half here. So that will be x sine inverse of x plus half. This will be u to the power minus half, which is times 2 u to the power half, which is 1 minus x squared to the power half. plus c. That will be x sine inverse of x plus square root 1 minus x squared plus c. Yeah. I think we did this. Something similar. We take I, then return it back. I will leave it for you. Now we have these three. Let me do them quickly. I have sine square. I need to change it into, yeah, I know sine square. What is it? Cosine to x. Cosine to x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Minus 2 sine square x. So sine square x or 2 sine square x will be 1 minus cosine to x. So sine square will be half minus half sine x. So this is, I will write it x half minus half cosine to x dx. So I have half x, which is easy to do, minus half x cosine to x dx. I need by parts, which is easy one. U equal x dv will be cosine to x dx. So it is v x is minus half cosine to x plus c. So I think now it's very clear. Yeah. To go. Okay. I will not complete. Now let u equal e to the power x or w. dw will be what? Ax dx. So I have integral of what? Of this w square sine w dw. Yeah. By I think tabular will do it. U dv. This is w square. This is sine w. So this is 2w 2 0. This is minus cosine w. This is minus sine w. This is cosine w. Yeah. So positive, negative, positive. So I have what? W square minus W square cosine W. Then minus times minus, that will be plus 2W sine W plus cosine W. Let's see. Is it? Yeah. Plus, minus, plus. Okay. So that will be retain the W minus e to the power x minus e 2x cosine W cosine ax plus 2ax sine ax plus cosine ax plus c. And that will be it. This is the last one. Yeah, the remaining will be the questions from the book. U will be W cube root of x. Yeah, be careful here. dw, which is x to the power 1 over 3. dw will be what? 1 over 3 x to the power minus 2 over 3 dx. So I need to multiply by this. So that will be 0 to pi cubed. What is this? I need 3x is minus 2 over 3 over 3x to the power minus 2 over 3 cosine cube root of x dx. Now use w. That will be what? 0 to pi. Now this is will be no, not this. It will be this with the one above it, huh? So that will be x to the power Yeah, let me write this way. X to the power minus 2 over 3 over 3 times 3 over x to the power minus 2 over 3. This will be my dw. Okay, so that will remain what? 3 x to the power 2 over 3 times this times 1 over 3 x minus 2 over 3 cosine x to the power 1 over 3 dx. Yeah, until now did not do any change. Huh? This is y cubed. Now this is dw, this with this, dw, and this one is what? 3w square. So I have from 0 to pi 3w square cosine w dw. So tabular now we'll do it. U dv. I have w square 2w 0. And I start with what? Cosine w. That will be sine w. That will be minus cosine w. That will be minus sine w. Okay, so I have plus minus. This is plus. This is minus. This is plus. Plus minus. Plus. So I have what? Forget about the 3. That give me what? Wait a minute. No, minus sine. Cosine w. That give me sine. Yeah, let me do it. Let me see what will happen. Yeah, I have what? W square sine w. Okay. And minus, that will be plus 2w cosine w. And minus 2 sine w. Okay. Between 0 to pi. Between 0 to pi. Yeah. So that will be what? When I substitute the pi, that sine pi is 0. Sine pi is minus, so that will be minus 2 pi. It will be 0 minus 2 pi minus 0. And with the 0, everything will be 0. So that will be minus 6 pi, which is this one. Okay. Let me stop the recording. Yeah. I'll stop the recording. The remaining is only the questions from the book. Thank you.